my endorsements or the brands I'm associated with. And especially the workout videos is it's just like to spread and motivate the youth and inspire young people. So there is a
Yeah.
reason behind it.
Which you are doing, because and I also would call you the Wonder Woman of India, who's made us proud on the global platform.
Thank you.
Urushi, Namita Singhvi has asked a question. Urushi, how, क्या reaction था when you got to know that you are the Miss Diva Universe 2015?
Uh, Obviously, it was amazing reaction, and I was very happy. My parents were very happy. They were very proud of me. And then, it is a very special feeling. मैं डंके की चोट में बोलती हूँ कि बहुत सारे लोग हैं, आप किसी से पूछोगे अगर कि आपने अपने देश के लिए क्या किया है, आपने अपने देश के लिए क्या किया है, तो मैं प्राउडली बोल सकती हूँ कि yes, I've represented my country. I'm ambassador of my nation, and I have done something for my country, and I will be, representing my country again and again and again. That's what my motive is, and I wanna make sure that people know India for what I want. I mean, I just wanna set up a good example. That's what I wanna do. So I think ये बहुत ही गौरव की बात होती है कि आप अपने देश को represent करो. So yeah, it was the bestest moment of my life.
Yeah, we can see it. We can see it in your smile. We can see it in your eyes.
Yeah.
And talking about that, about making your nation proud, you have, because recently also we saw a lot of videos of yours where you've tied up with an international performer, and you're only one of the few who's done that. So hats off to you and congratulations.
I'm actually the first Bollywood actor who has collaborated with, and he is an Arabic superstar. He's an actor and a singer, Mohammed Ramadan. So also while I was shooting for Versace Baby, he knew about my title, and he knew that who I was and everything. And I want to say that obviously after I received the title, there was a lot of respect from the international audiences, from the international fans. So I think that came because of the title.
Wallahi, Habibti. Wow. Wow. And the thing about you is that you keep repeating it's the title. It's the title that made you. And everywhere, in every answer that you've mentioned today, you reiterated, and that's what keeps you grounded, and that's what keeps you taking places. So hats off to you, man. And any tips? Because a lot of aspirants have joined in. 20th July is the last day for the application for Liva Miss Diva 2021. So any tips you would like to share कि future aspirants के लिए कि कैसे process में जाएं या क्या तैयारी करें?
Yeah, I mean, really prepare well. I know it's a pandemic, but do not miss your workouts. Just pay a lot of attention for your mental fitness and physical fitness. Uh, Study as much as you can. You should be aware about what's happening all around in the world. Be aware about every single thing. And then apart from that, yeah, I think just be yourself. Your personality will come out, and people will, and judges will obviously will be able to see who you are as a person. And do practice your walks. It's so very important. How do you walk your ramp walk when it comes to swimsuits or in a sari or evening gowns, and just like prepare well and enjoy to the fullest.
Yeah.
If you are entering, just don't enter for the heck of it. Enter if you only because you have a purpose in your mind.
दिल से go for it, दिल से.
Yes.
Yeah. And as you said, कि घर पे work for just because you're home because of the pandemic doesn't mean that वो बहाना मिलता है अरे घर पे gym बंद है.
Yeah, don't be lazy.
Yeah. Pick up yourself and go work out and work on yourself. Sanchit has asked a question. What makes you more successful?
Then what? Then what?
More successful by the day. What is your mantra to be successful in life? That's an incomplete question, but Sanchit has asked it.
I want to ask you.
My success mantra?
What do you
Oh,
think about? Because I can't. I really. What? It's such a weird thing that I can never ever gauge myself in terms of like if I am or if I am not. What do you have to say about it?
it's the positivity. It's today I will tell you about you talking about the title so much and taking it everywhere. It talks about you being grounded and you being aware of where you come from, where you started from, and that entire journey is there in you. So that
Yeah.
is what keeps pushing you for more and more success. Is if I have to put it in a nutshell.
And also, I mean, I mean, I have to make my TOI family proud of me.
Yes, yes, absolutely. You have. And let me just check if we have any questions coming in before I. Da, 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 da. What does one have to do if somebody asked? It kind of went up because there's so many questions coming in. What does one do to become an actor?
Sorry?
What does क्या करना पड़ता है अगर एक्टर बनना है तो?
Obviously, you have to, practice, and work on your craft, work on your skills, and a lot of acting workshops, acting school, join yourself an acting school. Um, that's it.
So, somebody actually asked, can you share your history of success? 8005555 OMKS1. If you see the IGTV later, you could get it because Oroshi's already shared her entire journey with us. कि कहाँ से कहाँ पहुंची है और कैसे पहुंची है. All of that you will get to hear on that. And now that you spoke about acting, and we spoke about acting here, तो थोड़ी सी उर्वशी से एक्टिंग करवाई जाए. And if you think, if all of you who are messaging in, if you have any dialogues, what we'll do is उर्वशी थोड़ा मस्ती करते हैं before I call it a wrap. And you know, कि she's a brilliant actor, and we are used to a certain pattern for a certain dialogue. Bollywood में एक चुटकी कीमत तुम क्या जानो, Sachin Babu. So if you twist it, if
You
you have
loved
to
it.
if you had to twist the emotion to it and say it in a very funny manner,
Okay.
or just twist the emotion and go for the dialogue.
Okay.
Let's
Funny manner?
funny manner. Let's go.
एक चुटकी सिंदूर की कीमत तुम क्या जानो रमेश बाबू.
Ooh, I feel like Ramesh today. Thank you. Thank you. Let's go one more. If anybody else has any other questions about Bollywood, give me Bollywood dialogues. Why don't you send in some Bollywood dialogues? I have one, which is Pushpa, I hate tears.
Okay.
I like Gulshan Grover, but you don't have to. If you you do it in a very which is that emotion that you can twist it and do it.
You say.
Pushpa, I hate tears in a very serious manner, like you're pissed off.
In a serious manner.
Yeah. Wait, that was go for it.
You're making me laugh.
Zen mode.
Pushpa, I hate tears.
Okay. My God, you still haven't come out of that mode. Wow, I like that, and that's what an actor is. So before you actually get to dialogue, you get into the character, you deliver the dialogue, and then you take time to come out of it. So super brilliant. Thank you so much, Urvashi, for being a sport. And one more. When it's so छोटा, बहुत ही छोटा. कितने आदमी थे?
कितने आदमी थे? Okay.
Yeah. उसे अगर तुम्हें बोलना है in a very cringy manner, like you're not interested, like how many were them? Something like that. At least interested.
कितने आदमी थे?
You're brilliant, man. And all of you who are watching us, tell us how you feel. What do you think, Urvashi? We've seen her perform on the larger screen, the big screen, but this our Insta screen that she's done it for us. So thank you so much, Urvashi, for joining us. Thank you.
Evening, I'd also like to, add. I really wanted to say that it's not just me. Also the girls who were before me or after me. Before me was Manasi, and Noyonita, me, Adeline recently, and Roshmita. So all of these girls have been doing well, or they are very well recognized in the industry, all because of the title. So I think that a lot of credit goes to the Liba Miss Diva.
Absolutely. Thank you so much. And that says it all. That speaks about your personality, that you're taking the title wherever you carry. And
The way how Adeline represented our country, it was such an amazing. thing. I mean, I didn't see the pageant obviously, but I saw a few rushes, and I just can't tell how proud I was when I looked at her. And next year, I'm very hopeful, and I'm very, very positive about next year.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Any last words that you want to give it to all the aspirants that
Just
go get it?
yes, go get it.
Well, thank you so much, Urvashi, for joining in. Thank you so much. And you're looking stunning. Keep entertaining us and keep spreading your positivity and magic. And thank you. And a big virtual jumpy to you. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you, Urvashi. Thank you. And thank you to all the aspirants, all the Urvashi fans who've joined us in. Thank you so much. Well, Liva Miss Diva 2021 co-powered by MX Takatak. Finale is going to be in the next couple of months. Application process is on till the 20th of July. So go for it. Apply. You know where to go. MX Takatak. Download Kijiye. That's the platform where you can. And once again, thank you, Liva. A fashion ingredient brand is the title sponsor for Liva Miss Diva 2021 for the second consecutive year. And MX Takatak, India's leading short video platform, is partnered with the pageant as a co-powered by partner. So thank you, MX Takatak, and all you lovely aspirants out there. You know the process. You can check out the video on Miss Diva.org how to do this. And till then, you live your flow. As Urvashi said, prepare for it and go for it. Agar kisi cheez ko dil se chaho, you definitely get it. Thank you so much for joining in. Have a fantastic evening ahead. And do remember, whenever you step out, please wear that mask. Thank you and have a lovely evening ahead. Thank you.